Let's discuss transversal angles. Two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay. See here, this line is PQ and this line is AB. Okay. These two lines PQ is parallel to AB. Okay. Here two lines are parallel. One transversal line cut by a two parallel lines. Okay. Here angle is 1. Suppose this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. One transversal line cut by a two parallel lines, then corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Corresponding angles, angle 1 equal to angle 5. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are angle 1 equal to angle 5. In same way, angle 4 equal to angle 8. Angle 4 equal to angle 8. Angle 2 equal to angle 6. Angle 3 equal to angle 7. Okay. Next, here in between these two lines we have 3, 4, 5, 6. So these angles are called interior angles. These angles are interior angles. Okay. Next, here angle 1, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are angle 1 and angle 3. Okay. In same way, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Angle 5 equal to angle 7. Angle 6 equal to angle 8. Okay. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle 1 equal to angle 3. Next, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Angle 5 equal to angle 7. Angle 6 equal to angle 8. These are vertically opposite angles. Okay. See, corresponding angles are equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 5. Okay. And 1 is equal to 3. 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angle. 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. Then 3 equal to 5. Okay. 3 equal to 5. These are alternative interior angle. Okay. Alternative interior angles. Alternative interior. Alternative interior angles are equal. Angle 3 equal to angle 5. In same way, angle 4 equal to angle 6. Here 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. Okay. Here we are talking about alternative interior angles. Alternative. We skip the one number. 3, we skip 4. 3, 5 are interior angles. In same way, 4 and 6 are interior, alternative interior angles. Okay. So angle 4 equal to angle 6. Is it clear? Here one transversal line cut by a two parallel lines So corresponding angles are equal and vertically opposite angles are equal. In same way, alternative interior angles are equal. Alternative interior angles, angle 3 equal to angle 5, angle 4 equal to angle 6. Is it clear? Next example, diagonals of a AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O using a similarity criterion for two triangles. Show that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Okay, here given trapezium. Let's draw one trapezium ABCD. Here AB is parallel to AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Okay, diagonals are AC and BD intersect each other at the point O. Okay, intersection, point of intersection is O. Okay, see here, these are two lines intersecting. We have already studied in 9th class. Two lines are intersecting. Then vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, so here this angle equal to this and this angle equal to this. Okay, suppose this is 1 2 3 4. Here 1 equal to 3 and 2 equal to angle 2 equal to angle 4. Okay, these are vertically opposite angles. Okay, see, in same way, here two lines are intersecting. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Let here angle equal 1. This angle equal to 2. Okay, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay, here consider triangles AOB and COD. Okay, angle 1 equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angles. Okay, we know transversal cut by a two parallel lines. Okay, transversal cut by a two parallel lines. Alternative interior angles are equal. Alternative interior angles. Here this angle equal to this. It forms a Z sign. Okay, see, this is a Z sign. Alternative interior angles are equal. Suppose this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, here A equal to angle F. Angle A equal to angle F. In same way, angle B equal to angle E. Alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles. Angle B equal to angle E. See, this is like a Z sign. Okay. See this figure. Here, this is a transversal line cut by a two parallel lines. Okay, this is the transversal line cut by a two parallel lines. So alternative interior angles are equal. Observe Z sign. So here angle is 3. This angle is 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. In same way, this is a one transversal line cut by a two parallel side. Cut by a two parallel sides. So here angle equal to 5. Here angle equal to 6. Okay. Angle 3 equal to angle 4 and angle 5 equal to angle 6. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 5 equal to angle 6. Alternate interior angles. See, this is angle, angle, angle. Here using angle, angle, angle similarity. So, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Here, these two triangles are similar. Okay. So, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay. So, OA by OC equal to OB by OD. OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Okay. Hence proved.